Okay, so today we've looked at what headers in HTML. Subsequently, we'll be moving to other forms of tag, right, where we'll be applying this heading element. So I think you definitely understand it better. But just a recap, a quick recap of what I just have said is that HTML stands for hypertext markup language. All right, hypertext markup language. The hypertext simply means the text that is linking to another web page. All right, you have a text linking to another web page. Okay, so what else did I talk about? I talked about elements and tags, or tags and elements. It should be in form of tags and elements, not elements and tags. So I don't want to get you confused. So what do I refer to as tags? Tags are markup language is presented in form of tag. You know, the ML part of HTML is markup language. So in markup language you present them as what? Tags. So can you see this? And a tag must have an opening and a closing part. So remember this our h1 here. The h1 is what? The opening tag. Okay, and this one that has slash is what? The closing tag of that particular header. All right. So like I said earlier, it doesn't just really make sense to have all the content h1 or I've never seen that. Well, that such web page will look weird. I've never seen such web page before. So you arrange the heading elements hierarchically. Okay, if there's any English like that. So I'm trying to make a recap that this h2 is also a bit smaller than the h1. Likewise h3 a bit smaller than h2. Likewise h4 a bit smaller than h3, and the rest. So that is how what web pages are being presented. Okay, we'll get to more interesting aspects. We'll get to a more interesting aspects whereby you will now begin applying other tags. Okay, a quick recap. Like I said earlier, the difference between a tag and element is just the content of that your tag, about me, and the tag itself. That's what is called a HTML element. Combine all of this is known as what? Element. Okay, plus this content and the tags also is what is known as what? Element. But if it is for this opening one and for this closing one, they are known as what? Tags. So there are different kind of tags. We have header tag, image tag, paragraph tag, body tag, and there are lots of them. There are lots of them in HTML. So we'll explore through those ones as we make practical use of them. All right. So if you have any questions, you can indicate your questions in the comment section. So in the next video I'll be giving you rules, specific rules, when making use of what? The headers. There are some rules, there are some instructions you need to follow, although I've stated some of them as I started, but subsequently I'll be stating those rules comprehensively for you to understand better. Okay, I'll be expecting your questions if you have any as we proceed far on this. So if you're here to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button so that you could get more of this content like this. Get more of content like this. This is strictly for those who are interested in web development. All right, if you're not interested, man, I don't say anything of liking it. All right, because it's not something that's going to interest you. So I'm a kind of practical person. So if something that's going to interest you is something that you catch up with your field and passion, like the video, subscribe to the channel as you anticipate more of this coming soon. I'll be expecting your questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.